Lessons from Taoism for a balanced life. Taoism, an ancient Chinese philosophy, teaches us to follow the natural flow of life. It emphasizes that nature has its own rules, and when we go against these rules, we create stress and unhappiness. But by learning to go with the flow, life becomes much easier and more fulfilling. Understanding the Tao, the philosophy of natural flow. Imagine a river flowing smoothly through a valley. The water follows the path of least resistance, moving around obstacles with ease. This is a simple way to understand the Tao that teaches us to live in harmony with the natural flow of life. Instead of fighting against the currents of change, the Tao encourages us to move with them, finding balance and peace by aligning ourselves with the way things naturally are. Think of farming as a perfect example. Our role is to prepare the soil, plant seeds, add fertilizer, and ensure the crops gets enough water. After that, nature takes over, providing sunlight and nutrients. If we try to interfere, we risk ruining the harvest. This shows the importance of letting nature do its job. Life is full of natural changes. Trying to resist them only causes more trouble. Instead, let things flow naturally and embrace reality as it is. Controlling versus allowing. Mother Nature has set certain rules for everything. A fish can't fly and a bird can't swim. Everything around us follows a natural flow. When we align our actions with this flow, we achieve success. But when we go against it, we experience anxiety and stress. Everyone has their own habits and comfort zones. A morning person wakes up early, feels refreshed, and works happily. On the other hand, someone who prefers to stay up late and works at night won't perform well in the morning because their rhythm is different. If we force a night person to wake up early and work like a morning person, we are disturbing their natural flow. It's like expecting them to swim against the current. It will only tire them out and they might fail. But if we let them work according to their natural rhythm, they will move with the flow and find success more easily. By trying to control them, we might harm their potential, but by allowing them to use their strengths, we are helping them succeed. Patience in investing. Investing in stock market is like cooking rice. You start by choosing good quality rice, putting it in a pot, adding the right amount of water and then cooking it on a low heat. At this point, you let nature take its course and in 15 to 20 minutes the rice will be perfectly cooked. The same goes with investing. Choosing strong stocks and investing the right amount of money based on their fundamentals is all you can do. But if you constantly check the stock's movement and panic when it dips 2 to 3%, you will only make things worse. Let nature work its magic and be patient. The market will have ups and downs. It will crash during economic crisis, political changes or wars. That's a fact. But during a bull run, the market will reach new heights and you will be benefited. All you can do is pick fundamentally good stocks. The rest is out of your control. So stop overthinking and let nature take care of your investments. Finding balance. We often worry too much about the future and forget to focus on the present. Many of us set unrealistic goals and feel pressure of society's high expectations. It's okay to push ourselves, but sometimes it can overwhelm us and we need to learn to let go. Letting go doesn't mean disconnecting from the world and ignoring success. You can still fall in love, get married, succeed in your career, travel, or enjoy luxury. Letting go simply means not letting these things overwhelm you. Sometimes things don't go as planned and failure happens. When we don't achieve our goals, we often stress ourselves out and invite anxiety. This is a major cause of depression and anxiety. That's why it's important to let go of your worries when life isn't going your way.